Okay, this might be the craziest thing I've ever done in my business. I cloned myself. Now, before you start thinking that's really creepy and weird, let me explain. I've created Kate AI, which is basically a digital version of me that can answer your questions and give you personalized guidance and advice for growing your business. It's like having instant access to me 24/7 as your personal business coach and being able to jump onto a one-on-one coaching session whenever you need to. So today I'm sharing how Kate AI works, how to access it, and how it can serve as your business shortcut to achieve your goals faster. But if this is our first time meeting, let me just quickly introduce myself. I'm Kate. I'm an entrepreneur and seven-figure business owner, and I'm passionate about helping other entrepreneurs grow and scale their businesses online so that they can start earning passive revenue and making money working from the comfort of their own home. The reason I'm so passionate about helping others do this is because I've seen firsthand how my life has been transformed and completely changed for the better when I started my online business and really got serious about scaling it. I know the headache though of when you're first starting out, not knowing which way to go. There's so many different opinions out there about how to grow a business, what the right strategies and tactics are, and it can all be so overwhelming and really take a lot of the joy out of the process. So I'm here to help you grow and scale your business in a way that gives you life and serves your life and not the other way around. I love coaching students in those moments when I see them get unstuck from a problem or a struggle they had, something they had encountered that they felt like they couldn't overcome, and seeing them grow and succeed and reach their goals. So currently I have several different ways that I help people. I do it through my free YouTube content, I do it through my comprehensive courses, and through my coaching community groups. I really have a heart to serve and help as many people as possible, but this is limited obviously because I'm only one person with only 24 hours in a day, which is why I don't currently offer one-on-one personal business coaching. Obviously with this type of one-on-one coaching, time capacity is a huge limitation. And if I were to offer one-on-one coaching, because of the time constraints, I'd only be able to take a couple of clients at a time. I'd be charging upwards of $30,000 per package. So you can see how this would be really limiting, even though so many people have reached out to me wanting that personal one-on-one business coaching. And this is why I am so thrilled to finally have found a way to help and serve more people in this capacity. And this is through the use of this AI tool that I've built Kate AI with. This tool has allowed me to leverage my already existing content. So everything I've created over the past 10 years that I've been growing my business and coaching other people, everything from my YouTube videos to my course lessons, to podcast episodes that I've been on, to my live Q&A sessions, printable, downloadable resources. I mean, literally everything I've created and taught on has been uploaded to this AI tool to basically train it to have my brain and my mind and think the way I do with my methodology and my strategies. Because of the development of AI over these past few years, it's now at a point where it's actually intelligent enough to synthesize the information that I'm uploading to it to be able to answer specific questions for people and even be able to tailor strategies to you according to your specific and unique circumstance where you are in your business, any pain points or struggles or obstacles you might be facing, and coach you as if it was me talking to you. So this is absolutely the most affordable and accessible way that I can offer a type of one-on-one coaching to more people. It also automatically stays up to date because it's synced with my YouTube channel. So every time I upload a new video, that information goes straight into training and keeping Kate AI updated and current. I also want to make an important differentiation here because you might be thinking, well, can't I just go on a tool like ChatGPT and type in a question and get an answer? And while yes, you can use a tool like that to get an answer, ChatGPT has been trained by lots of different things out there on the internet, and it's going to give you very generic and surface level answers compared to Kate AI, which has only been trained on my approach to business and my strategies. So if you trust me and the way that I approach business, which is going to be very different than how other coaches or teachers approach business, then Kate AI is going to be a much better fit for you because it's coaching you exactly as I would. How to build a business that serves your life instead of taking over your life, how to be productive but still have joy in the other aspects of your life, and how to make smart data-driven decisions for everything that you're wanting to implement in your business. So I'm going to hop on the computer now and show you exactly how Kate AI works. All right, so we're here on Kate AI, and if you're already like, I know I want this, sign me up. I've got the link for this in the description box below, or you can sign up at kate-hayes.com/AI. But let's go ahead and give this a try. All right, so here is Kate AI. When you come on, you have options to either chat via text, which is where you'll just type in your question here and receive answers from Kate AI in text, or you can choose voice, which will let you have an actual call with me. And yes, Kate AI actually does sound very similar to me. It's been trained on my voice with voice samples from my recordings. It's meant to feel as similar as possible to an actual one-on-one coaching session with me. So let's go ahead and just test this out.
Hey friend, I'm Kate AI. How can I help you today?
Hey Kate, can you tell me how to start a a digital products business?
Oh, absolutely. Starting a digital products business is such an exciting journey, and it's a fantastic way to create passive income. Let's break it down step by step so it feels doable and not overwhelming. First, you'll want to figure out what kind of digital product you want to sell. This could be anything from printables like planners or wall art to templates for Canva, ebooks, or even online courses. A great way to start is by hopping onto Etsy and typing in printable or template into the search bar. You'll see what's trending and get a feel for what people are actively buying. This research is key to finding your niche. Once you've got an idea, the next step is creating your product. Tools like Canva are amazing for beginners because they're super user-friendly and even offer free templates to get you started. If you're making something like a planner or a social media template, Canva is your best friend. And don't worry if you're not a designer. Canva makes it easy to create professional-looking products. After that, you'll need a platform to sell on. I highly recommend starting with Etsy because it's beginner-friendly and already has a built-in audience searching for digital products. Plus, Etsy's search engine can help your shop get discovered faster than starting from scratch on your own website. Once you're comfortable, you can always expand to platforms like Shopify. Now, here's the fun part, marketing your product. You'll want to create eye-catching mock-ups to show off your product in action. Canva can help with this too, or you can use platforms like Creative Market to find mock-up templates. Then share your product on social media, Pinterest, or even through email marketing if you have a list. If you're feeling like you need a little more guidance, I've got a free digital product starter guide that walks you through the basics. And if you're ready to dive deeper, my Digital Product Powerhouse Masterclass is a game changer. It's a 45-minute session where I walk you through the 4 crucial steps to starting a successful digital products business. So, what kind of product are you thinking about creating? I'd love to help you brainstorm.
Thanks, Kate AI. That was really helpful. I think the next thing is I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to sell on Etsy or Shopify. I've heard good things about both, so I don't really know which is the best fit for my business.
Oh, this is such a great question. And honestly, it's one I hear all the time. Both Etsy and Shopify are awesome platforms, but they're really designed for different stages and styles of business. So let's break it down. Etsy is amazing for beginners because it's like setting up shop in the middle of a busy marketplace. There are already millions of people browsing Etsy every day, specifically looking for unique handmade or digital products. That built-in audience is a huge advantage when you're just starting out and don't have a ton of traffic coming to your own website yet. Plus, Etsy's search engine can help your products get discovered faster than if you were starting from scratch. It's also super user-friendly, so you don't need to be tech savvy to get your shop up and running. And let's not forget, Etsy handles a lot of the back-end stuff for you, like payment processing and even some marketing features. Now, Shopify is a powerhouse when it comes to building your own brand. It's perfect if you're looking to create a standalone website where you have full control over the design, customer experience, and branding. Shopify is also great if you're planning to scale your business and want to add features like email marketing integrations, upselling tools, or even your own blog. But here's the thing, Shopify doesn't have that built-in audience like Etsy does, so you'll need to drive your own traffic through social media, ads, or SEO. It's a bit more work up front, but it gives you complete ownership of your business. So here's my take. If you're just starting out and want to test the waters, Etsy is the way to go. It's low risk, beginner friendly, and gives you access to a massive audience right away. Once you've got some momentum and feel ready to take things to the next level, you can always expand to Shopify and build your own site. In fact, a lot of successful sellers use both platforms, Etsy to attract new customers and Shopify to nurture repeat buyers and build their brand. So what's your gut telling you? Are you leaning toward one platform more than the other? I'd love to help you figure out the best fit.
Pretty awesome, right? I mean, this thing sounds like me. It gives advice exactly like I would based on how it's been trained from all of my years of content. It's been trained on both my free content and my paid content, so it even knows the strategies that I teach within my paid courses. You can literally ask Kate AI anything from how to start an online business to how to develop digital products, how to create products, marketing strategy, email marketing, social media growth, how to get your business visible online, which platforms are the best to sell on. You can even give it specific pain points or struggles or obstacles that you're facing, and and it will work those out with you and give you advice and recommendations in real time. But Kate AI doesn't only talk strategy, even though that's a super helpful part of it. It's just like me. And as a coach, I think it's really important to go even deeper than strategy into encouragement, uplifting you, helping you realize that it's so possible for you to reach your goals and continue on even through the hard times. So while yes, you can talk all day to Kate AI about strategy and tactics for growing your business, you can also come on and just let her know, hey, I'm discouraged today. Can you give me some words of wisdom or encouragement to keep pressing on? She's literally meant to be here for you as your business coach, 24/7, on demand, instant access whenever you need her for anything you're facing. She'll even remember your past conversations so you can go back and refer to things that you talked to her about before or ask her to clarify something maybe that she's given you before. The sky really is the limit for how you can use this tool. When you sign up with Kate AI, you get unlimited access for both the text chats and the voice calling, so you can use it as much as you need to every single month. So if you want to work with me as your personal business coach, then I'll have the link for Kate AI in the description box below. You can click on that link to hop over to the page that gives you all the details and sign up for Kate AI right there. Or you can go to that page at kate-hayes.com/AI. All right, this is just too fun, so I'm going to give it one more go around. Let's ask her one last question here.
Hey friend, I'm Kate AI. How can I help you today?
Hey Kate, I'm a busy mom who wants to start a business, but I'm a little bit unsure because I don't have a lot of time. I only have a few hours a week to really put towards growing a business. I also have kids that are in school and a lot of things going on, and I'm a little worried that I'm going to get into this and not really know what I'm doing, and it's going to be a big flop. So can you help me realize what I need to about going into starting a business as a busy mom, and what advice you would give me if I should do this, if I shouldn't, and how to make this work with so many other things going on in my life?
Oh friend, I hear you loud and clear. Being a busy mom is already a full-time gig, and the idea of adding a business on top of that can feel super overwhelming. But let me tell you this. You can do it. I've been in your shoes, juggling kids, school schedules, and all the chaos that comes with it. And I know how daunting it feels. But starting a business doesn't have to mean giving up all your time or running yourself into the ground. It's about being intentional with the time you do have and starting small. Here's the thing. You don't need to have it all figured out from day one. When I started my first Etsy shop, I had a toddler and a baby at home, and I felt completely unprepared. I didn't have a ton of time or resources, but I just started. I worked during nap times, after bedtime, and in those little pockets of time I could carve out. And yes, it was scrappy at first, but piece by piece, I built something that gave me the flexibility to be present with my kids and contribute financially to my family. If you're only able to dedicate a few hours a week, that's okay. The key is to focus on the right things during those hours. For example, if you're thinking about starting an Etsy shop, you could focus on creating a small collection of digital products, like printable planners or wall art that don't require ongoing inventory or shipping. Digital products are a game changer for busy moms because once you create them, they can sell over and over again without you having to lift a finger. It's a great way to dip your toes into the business world without overcommitting. And let's talk about that fear of flopping. It's so normal to feel that way, but here's the truth. Every successful entrepreneur has felt that same fear. The difference is they didn't let it stop them. You don't have to be perfect, and you don't have to know everything right now. You just have to be willing to start, learn as you go, and give yourself grace along the way. Mistakes are part of the process, and they're how you grow. So my advice, start small. Pick one idea that excites you and feels manageable with your current schedule. Focus on one product type, one platform like Etsy, and one audience. Don't try to do all the things at once. That's a recipe for burnout. And remember, this is your journey. It doesn't have to look like anyone else's. Even if you're only making progress in baby steps, you're still moving forward. I'm cheering you on, friend. You've got this. What kind of business are you thinking about starting? Let's brainstorm together.
So there you have it. She talks like me. She gives encouragement. She gives strategy. She can even help you analyze your listings. She can do so much. And I'm so excited to finally be able to offer this level of coaching with a tool that's trained on all of my content and even remembers things that I maybe have forgotten that I've taught in the past. Super useful, super helpful. And I know this is going to be a huge breakthrough for so many of you in your businesses when you just feel like you need a hand to hold, you need some guidance, you need some mentorship, but you need it at a fraction of the cost of what those really high-level coaching packages are. So again, if you're interested, definitely hop over to check it all out at kate-hayes.com/AI. That link is in the video description box below. And I'd also love if you'd comment on this video and let me know what you think of Kate AI. This is such a new and interesting development in my business. I'm excited to offer it, but I'd love to know what your first impressions are and if you think this would be helpful for you in your business. Talk soon, friends.